Oh, hell no. Don't try to switch lanes then if your eyes ain't that good. Hold on, wait a little bit. Wait a little. Oh, okay. Hold on, slow down. Hold on. She scared me, y'all. She scared me, y'all. Oh, shit now.
Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up with the YouTube? It's your boy Life with Zero, and we back with another video. Goddamn, we gonna be letting somebody drive the car today. You feel me? Gonna be letting her drive the car today. You feel me? We're gonna go on and get y'all a little remote start, a little cold start. Ain't really no damn cold start. It's hot as a bitch outside. Don't wreck my fucking car, bro. But alright, y'all. We're gonna be goddamn let her drive the car. You feel me? I'm gonna get her reaction and shit. You know, I don't really be letting people drive my fucking car. But we doing that today. Alright, y'all. We in this motherfucker. You feel me? Come on, man. It didn't drop. Oh, hell no.
Bro, shut up.
Truck for real.
Goddamn, can I make it to the truck at least?
Go on and hit that shit. You've been a real into these people. Oh yeah, y'all, she's scaring the fuck out of me in here. She flying around these curves and shit. Oh no.
You extra.
Oh no. Oh no, she's scaring me, y'all.
Why you being extra?
She's scaring me, y'all. Ain't no way. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. She in this motherfucker flying. The curve.
I'm going 40.
I don't think the speed limit 40 around this curve.
It's right there.
Oh my God. I think you need to go 25. You shit. Scaring the hell out of me, man. Yeah. I'm scared to put you in anything but eco. Yeah, we can't even fucking record for real, all this damn traffic. Oh, she done missed the turn, y'all. Oh.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. What that say, y'all? That say...
Yo, Siri, yo, map strip.
Oh.
That wasn't me.
Oh, yeah. We in motherfucking traffic with it. She finna cut the fuck up. Don't cut up too bad though.
Oh, I'm gonna try not to. My eyes good, but they ain't that good.
Oh hell no! Don't try to switch lanes then if your eyes ain't that good.
They good, but it's I gotta, you know.
Alright, you scaring me. Alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah! Oh yeah, slow down. Oh yeah, she cutting up bad, okay? I bet you ain't gonna try that little 5-0. Hold on, wait a little bit. Wait a little. Oh, okay. Hold on, slow down. Hold on. She's scaring me, y'all. She's scaring me, y'all. Oh, shit now. Oh, shit now.
Oh my God.
I'm about to change the goddamn mode. I'm scared.
Why?
I love my damn car.
I know what I'm doing, just a little bit.
Yeah, you need to know all.
Job, though, huh?
Yeah, you is, but I'm just a little scared because I don't never let nobody drive.
There you go.
But hey, she is cutting up bad in this motherfucker though.
You wanna keep going? I will take it next.
Nah, you keep going.
I can't do it right here. I think this.
Hell no. No, you can't.
This is not the merging one. I thought this was the merging one on the next side, but it's not.
Oh yeah, go ahead and slow down because they trying to cut you off right here. See how people just can't fucking drive?
Yeah, I might get it.
You gotta drive for everybody. Yeah.
Traffic too bad.
Wait for the 5-0 to pass. You know 5-0 is like the wreck and shit.
Mustangs.
Yeah.